Water is of significant importance in Cherokee culture and is at the root of a scientific belief system that many in our tribe have lived by for thousands of years.
From the highest points of the mountains all the way down to sea level, we all live downslope, we all live downstream. And that concept of proximity was evident in the way Cherokees looked at how they lived here in the mountains. And it starts with water.
With fresh water always nearby, Cherokee people developed and perfected our own types of agriculture. We foraged, grew, and hunted food, but were always guided by a commitment to the balance of nature. In fact, when Europeans first arrived in Cherokee territory, they recorded a pristine forest, untouched except by the hand of God.
And what Europeans were essentially looking at was a well-manicured, well-stewarded form of agriculture that had existed for thousands of years, maintained in a scientific manner and in a way that provided sustainability for not only the different variations of the plant forms that were here, but also in this relationship to everything that existed here in terms of animals and fish and fowl and human beings.